Alangin ang isa't isa araw-araw. Ngayon na hindi lang tayo nagdiriwang ng kasal, kundi ng isang bagong pamilyang pagpapalain at gagabayan ng Diyos. Naway pagpalain ng Panginoon ang inyong pagsasama, patatagin ang inyong pagmamahalan, at gabayan kayo sa bawat hakbang ng inyong buhay. Mahalin namin kayo, ipapanalangin namin kayo at naniniwala kami na maraming magagandang plano ang Diyos para sa inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. God bless your marriage. Salamat po.
Copy-paste na lang po. Babasahin ko rin po kasi malilimutin. Okay. Good evening to all. I just want to take this moment to thank you for being part of Rin and Marion's forever. Your presence means a lot to us. Marion had been one of our blessings in our lives. Naiyak ako. He is kind, loving, generous, respectable, and very responsible kuya to Stephen. And I know the same qualities he will bring into your marriage. Si Rina kilala ko po nung dinala ni Marion sa house. And ang impression ko sa kanya, mabait siya, magalang, and very thoughtful. Lagi po niyang, yung mga birthdays namin, lagi po may cake. Masarap po yung cake. Thank you po sa sister niya. And hindi siya, lagi niya kaming binabati. Talagang very respectful talaga si Rin sa amin. That's why, when I learned that they're getting married, mixed feelings po. Kasi, parang ang bilis ng pangyayari. Biglaan po. Pero in the same way na I'm very happy kasi nakita ko po kung gaano kasaya ang anak ko kay Rin. And so Rin, we are very happy to welcome you to our family. Marion and Rin love and understand each other. Be sensitive to each other's feeling. And always pray together. May God bless your marriage.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin the parents of the groom and bride.
You never let me down. You turned my life.
Thank you, Mommy, Daddy. Now for the parents of the bride, your message po.